Breaking news? No! We're here to talk to you about breaking ground, the Rhinox Ripper Tooth. This ripper tooth, or often known as a ripper claw or a ripper hook, or in the US, a frost hook, is a narrow pointed excavator attachment designed for maximum penetration. We've designed this ripper tooth so it's strong and powerful, and its primary uses are to break up extremely hard ground or penetrate frozen ground, more applicably in the US.
So the best use for the ripper tooth is actually in hard ground where you may damage your excavator bucket, attachment, or even the machine itself. The idea is you would use the ripper tooth to break up the hard ground, followed by your digging bucket to actually dig out the aggregates left behind.
Our ripper teeth are made from high quality steel to maximise the wear resistance of the tool. A ripper tooth concentrates all the power from the machine into one small point, meaning maximum penetration in hard ground. This is ideal in situations where a standard bucket would struggle to break up compacted areas. This is because the penetration is reduced. This not only speeds up the digging process, but also reduces the excessive wear on your other attachments, ultimately saving you money.
The ripper tooth is a very simple tool to use. Simply pick it up with your excavator, then using the tip or the tooth at the very end of the ripper tooth, start dragging this through the ground, breaking it up as you go. With each pass, go a little bit deeper to make sure not to overstrain your machine or start pulling your machine along with the attachment instead of pulling the attachment through the ground. Then, once you've finished using the ripper tooth to break up the ground, follow it up with a standard digging bucket as I mentioned earlier.
The Rhinox Ripper Tooth is available from 0.75 or micro up to 25 ton machines. These ripper teeth come with a cat style replacement tip, which is available for a very reasonable price on our website. This increases the overall lifetime of the product. The price for this ripper tooth starts from £350 or $520 US.
Thanks for watching this video. Follow us on our social media channels. Thanks for watching this video. To see more of my ugly mug, click on this link here.
Primarily used for... Thank you for watching this video. Meaning maximum penetration. And there's a car.